Hey man, what can you say about USA?
USA is like a school head teacher who is a disciplinarian.
Okay. And what can you say about NATO?
NATO is a stick which is used by teachers to whip those students who do wrong.
And who are the teachers?
The head teacher is USA and the deputy head teacher is United Kingdom.
So tell us, who are the students?
Some of the students are good and some are bad.
Continue.
Good students are Ukraine, Sweden, Finland, and bad students are Syria, Yemen, Libya, Iraq, and many others.
And where is the school?
The school is the world.
So tell us, who is Russia?
Russia is a policeman who is watching whether the teacher is misleading the students or not. And remember, some of the students are favored by teachers and some are not.
Then what is the role of the head teacher?
The role of the head teacher is to make sure that a student transforms from being a bad person to a good person.
This man! Bad person to a good person? How?
Yeah.
How?
If you perform poorly, he whips you until you perform the way he wants.
So do the students end up changing from bad to good?
No, instead the student changes from bad to worse.
Still tell me how.
Continue.
They become disabled after being whipped. One loses an arm, another one loses a leg, another one loses sight.
Okay, now,
Continue.
we want a clear explanation here.
As a head teacher, USA wants students like Syria, Iraq, and Libya to have democracy, good governance, and a legitimate leader.
Oh, I see.
Yes, and so USA
Continue.
had to cane these countries among others accordingly.
Oh my God.
So that they can change. But instead, this was the result. 1.
Syria.
This is Syria
Yes.
before USA's discipline. And this is Syria after the discipline.
From good to worse.
Yes. 2.
Iraq.
This is Iraq before USA's discipline. And this is Iraq after the discipline.
From good to worse.
3.
Libya.
This is Libya before USA's discipline.
Okay.
And this is Libya after the discipline.
From good to worse. What about Ukraine?
Ukraine is this student who is the favorite, the teacher's favorite.
Continue.
Even if he does anything, he feels entitled. And that is where the chaos began from. Now, Ukraine is now your time to choose which side you can lie to.
Yeah, true.
Use this information the way you want.
This man!
And leave us alone.